Residents of Belmont, Westmoreland fear danger is lurking along a section of the roadway which collapsed into the Caribbean Sea Thursday. The massive breakaway has resulted in traffic being reduced to single lane in the area. Our reporter Kimberly Petty for this report.
After hours of heavy rainfall in Belmont, Westmoreland, disaster. There has been a major breakaway along the Belmont Main Road in Westmoreland. Residents told TVJ News that they heard boom followed by a crashing sound. Now, if you look behind me, you will see that a major part of the roadway has collapsed and is now into the sea. The residents blame the National Work Agency, NAA, as according to them, the agency had been made aware of the issue years ago.
That 3 times we bring the MP around there. That is Luther. When Luther was MP, we take him there and it's a Gifford. Then bring the National Works Agency, engineers there, and them tell us what they're going to do. They're going to bore the hole and pour down concrete and get some boulders put over by the next time. They bring a sign come put there. So they're going to erect, they're going to do some work. And the sign was here for over a year until they just come move the sign and not move.
The area was cordoned off with caution tapes as residents helped to direct the traffic in the pouring rain.
That's why I reach on here trying to defend the traffic to don't make no accident happen. So it would be better if we have someone that can evil or something to make the traffic them know that they have to slow down and take their time coming around this corner at Brockdown Bridge, because it's not safe for no one at all that driving on the road.
We also spoke with counsel for the White House Division, Michael Jackson, who said he has been in discussions with the NAA for years to fix this road.
I'm standing at a very unfortunate spot here in eastern Westmoreland on the Belmont Main Road. A disaster that was waiting to happen for years. Before my stint as councillor, I was a part of the team with the former worship mayor, Bertel Moore, who went out onto the seas to actually look at the extent of the damage. Now, with this ongoing weather situation, you see what has happened here.
When contacted, the Community Relations Officer for the NAA Western Office, Janelle Ricketts, says crews have been deployed to assess the damage.
A section of the Belmont roadway in Westmoreland has now been reduced to single lane. This is as a result of the erosion of that particular section of the roadway following heavy rainfall and rough seas in that area.
She also urged commuters and motorists to exercise caution when using the road. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.